In this video, we're going to use area models to find equivalent fractions. So again, this would be in a Common Core textbook. What you would see is a picture that looks like this with this to the side, okay? Now, 1/3 would mean that I've got a shape here that has 3 pieces, but I need one of them shaded. So choose any one to shade. Okay. Now, what it's saying is that we want to change this 1 into 2 pieces, right? That's our numerator. So, in fact, what usually happens is up above this in the book, it actually says, in the Common Core textbook, not our textbook, but the Common Core textbook, it'll say 2 rows. So what that's saying is it's saying come in and draw a line. So we're drawing one line, and that one line is creating 2 rows of shapes, okay? So 2 rows is the same thing as drawing one line. Okay, so 1/3 is the same thing as 2 out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing as 2/6. What it also is that 1/3 is also equal to 1/6 plus 1/6. Because I have 1 add a 6 and 1 add a 6, which is the same thing as 2 times 1/6. Okay. Now you're probably saying, Jen, why are you writing all of this? Well, if you look at the notes for this section, which I've posted online, you will see that I cut and paste or snipped from the Common Core textbook, and this is what they have to the side for students to fill in. Okay, so I'm going to make up another example start to finish so that we can practice it one more time. So as I pause, we'll come back in just a sec. And here is our next example. So what I have here is 1/4 equals, and then we've got some blanks that we're going to fill in using this picture. But the first thing I have to do is I didn't shade 1. So this is going to be shading, here I'll just use this pen, 1 out of the 4. Okay, now I got to figure out what's the equivalent of 1/4 that has 3 as a numerator. So the book is telling us, the Common Core book is saying we want 3 rows. So 3 rows of shapes means that I'm going to draw 2 lines. So here I go. I'm going to draw 1 line, 1 line. So this is the same thing as 2 lines, so that I have 1, 2, 3 rows of shapes. Okay, so if we look now, this picture is 3 out of 12. Okay. One of them is the size of 1 out of 12. And I've got 3 of those, which are 1/12, 1/12, 1/12. Okay? So this would be the same thing as 3 times 1/12. All right, so that's how we use area models. Make sure you pay attention to the notes and the handouts and, of course, the Zoom session. Good luck.